In this video, I will show you a simple technique for drawing linear graphs. To draw linear graphs easily, you need to find two distinct points on which the line lies. For our purposes, it might be useful to find the x and y intercepts as our 2 points. Let's look at this first example. We are looking at y equals 2x plus 1. To find the y-intercept, we must let x equal 0. So let's do that. I write my equation as I see it, except I replace x with 0. 2 times 0 evaluates to 0, so y equals 1. This tells me that my y-intercept is at y equals 1. I'll put a mark on my graph, and I will label the point as well. To find the x-intercept, we let y equal 0. Let's go ahead and do that. For this, you can use the solve function of the CAS, or a little bit of trial and error to work out the answer. I'll just write it in for us now. But you can use the CAS to check this answer. The x-intercept is at -1/2. So I'm going to put a mark at -1/2 and label the point. We now have 2 points on our plot, so we can draw a line that goes straight through both those points, and that is our plot. Don't forget to label your x and y axes. Let's apply the same process for example number 2. I'm looking for the x and y intercepts. On the y-intercept, we let x equal 0. -2 times 0 plus 3 times y equals 6. -2 times 0 remains as 0, so I'm left with 3y equals 6. And you can use your CAS to solve, or you can see that 3 times 2 equals 6. So that must mean y equals 2. And we plot that point. Let's do the same thing and find the x-intercept. -2 times x plus 3 times 0 equals 6. 3 times 0 is 0, so I'm left with -2x equals 6. Again, you can use the solve function of the CAS to work this out, or you can recognize that -2 times -3 equals 6. So the x-intercept occurs at -3. I'll plot the point, and I'll label it. You can now draw your straight line between those 2 points. And there is your graph. Don't forget to label your x and y axes appropriately.